I will use Windows 10, but if you have installed Windows 7, 8, you'll be able to follow along. And if you want to now to upgrade now to Windows 10, let me know in the comment section so that I will be able to show you in another tutorial. Without further ado, let us get started. If you're just getting started with the window, learning how to navigate the interface is really a great place to start. Okay, let us take a look at the desktop, which is the screen you see here. This is a desktop. Okay, this one, see, is a desktop. Okay, when you boot up or start up your computer, the desktop is displayed once the startup process is complete. In other words, the first thing you see after opening or switch on your computer is a desktop. This one, the first interface. And the most part of your desktop, one is taskbar. This one, the bottom, taskbar. Another one is start menu. This one. Okay. We have search bar. This one. We have task view and even notification areas. In the desktop, it also includes icons, folders, the thing you have created. Now this is the icon. This is the icon. And an icon is simply a graphical representation of an application or a file. And to open a file, an icon or a folder, what you need is just double click. If I want to open out this icon, I'll just double click my mouse to open. Okay. Or you can either also right click your mouse and then click open. The same thing, the folder. If I want to open this folder, I will double click my mouse to open. Or also, I can also right click and then click open, and I will be able to open. A folder, what's a folder? A folder is a storage space or a container where main files can be placed into groups and organized your computer. Simply, a folder is a way of organizing your computer files. Okay, this is a folder. And a folder also can contain a folder inside. If I open this lesson, this folder called lesson, if I open this folder, remember the procedure to open, you can either double click or right click, then click open. Now I will get another folder. So this is subfolder, a folder inside a folder. And if I open this one now, if I double click my mouse to open, I'll get a lesson 1 class here. That's a video file. Okay. How do we create a folder? To create a folder, the first way to create a new folder in Windows, by shortcut, you can press Ctrl Shift N. Okay, that's a shortcut of creating a folder. Ctrl Shift N. If I press Ctrl Shift N, I'll be able to create a folder. Then after, I can give it a name, maybe computer. Okay. Then to omit a change, you can either click enter. That's how to omit a change. Another way to create a folder, go to empty place in your desktop, then right click your mouse, right click, and then click new, and then folder. You get? Right click in your desktop, the empty place, go to new, and then click folder here. If I click folder, the same procedure of shortcut to bring this exactly as the first way. So give it a name first. I can now give it a name. Maybe you can give any name. Let me call it Peter. Okay, and then after, remember, you press enter in your keyboard to omit the change. And to delete a folder, you can either select and then click delete a key in your keyboard to delete, or you can either right click also and then go and click delete to delete. You can also rename a folder by right click and then click rename. Then after, you can able to give the name another name. Maybe I can call it which name? Maybe call it Jose. Okay. Then after, just click enter to omit the change. Okay. I can also delete. Remember the procedure, right click and then click delete, or just select and then press delete key in your keyboard. Now let us also learn how to create a desktop background. A desktop background is simply an image that appear at the back of your screen. Like this one is a desktop background or wallpaper. Okay. How do you create a desktop background? Procedure: right click on your desktop, empty place. Don't right click on an image or don't right click on an icon. Right click the empty place, then click personalize. Okay. And then from there, from this personalization windows, there is a pre-selected images here. Okay. From here, I can choose any image I want. If I click this one, automatically it changes. If I click this one, automatically it changes. And then after, you can close. Remember, right click, go to personalize, and then from these windows, choose from the pre-selected images from here. Now, if you want now to set your own image or photo as your desktop background, just click browse. Okay. Now to browse for your own image or photo, click browse, and then depending the location that you have saved your image, mine have saved in desktop, so I'll click desktop. If you have saved in download, you click download, but mine is in desktop, and then the image is here. Then after you have found your image, like mine's here, I'll just click on it, and then I click choose picture from here, and that's when we change. Click browse, and then go to the image that go to a location that you have saved your image, and then just click on it, then click choose picture. But for now, I'll use this one so that I think this is clear for you to see well. And then I'll close this. I'll close. For now, I will teach you those things. In Windows, the desktop includes a taskbar, which is located at the bottom of the screen by default. This is a taskbar. Okay. Sorry for that. The taskbar is where you will find shortcut to some of the application on your computer. Like this is a Google Chrome. I have the shortcut here. Okay. So you will find the shortcut of the application or softwares or program that you have installed in your computer. Now, you can also relocate the taskbar, but first you need to unlock. If I want to locate the taskbar at the top, the first thing I need is to first I can't drag now. The first thing you need is right click and then make sure this lock the taskbar is unchecked. But now I can't relocate my taskbar. But now if I uncheck this one, I can enable. Now if I drag, come here, long press your mouse and then drag taskbar. You can enable now to relocate the taskbar in the top, even right, even this side. Okay, back the bottom. But remember, the first thing you need to uncheck this one. If you already uncheck this one, if you have locked, you can't relocate, you can't drag. The first thing you need, first right click, then uncheck, then drag the task bar where you want to relocate. If you want to lock, again right click here in the task bar, not in the desktop, in the task bar, right click and then make sure you have locked. Now you can't able to drag. We have a start menu. Here, this is a start menu. Start menu. Start menu is the main point of access to your application. The main point of access to your application. If I click this one, you see the applications. Okay, so it's the main point of access of application. You see here, all my application are here. If I click here and then I scroll down, I'll be able to see all applications that I've installed in my machine, in my computer. The search box here, this is a search box. The search box on the taskbar will allow you to search within your document and files or anything you want. If I want now to search for this file, this folder, computer, I can come here to search box and then I search that given file. Now computer. Okay, now you'll come here. You see, it's here. If I want to search now, if I want to search Google Chrome, I'll just come here and then search for Google Chrome. You see, so you can able to search anything you want in the search box. Shortcut icon is an icon used to represent a document, folder, or a program file. Shortcut icons or shortcut are identified by a small arrow in the corner of the icon. Now this is an icon, right? And then this is a shortcut. And if you want to know this is a shortcut, is identified by this arrow in the corner of the icon. So this is a shortcut icon. This is a shortcut. This is a shortcut. It's a shortcut. Why? Because it has an arrow here in the corner. Now, most software or application will create shortcut icon after installation. Okay, but if it doesn't, I will show you how to create one. Now, if I want to create now a shortcut for Google Chrome, it's already I've created. Okay, the first thing, let me first delete. I'll delete this program. Make sure to remember the procedure. You can either select and click delete in your keyboard, or right click and then click delete. Right, now I'll come here to search box here to search for Google Chrome. I'll click here and then I'll search Google Chrome. Okay, you see here now. And then after, right click your mouse and then click open file location. Click. Then after, come again, right click again and then go to send, and then after click desktop into bracket create shortcut, then click on that. Automatically it will create a shortcut for you. Okay, this is a shortcut. Let me repeat for VLC. I'll delete VLC. I'll come here, search for VLC, and then after, right click, then click open file location. Then from here, right click again and then go to send to, and then click desktop into bracket create shortcut. Now from there, I'll be able to create a shortcut for you to see. This is a pinned program. Google Chrome is a pinned program. This one is a pinned program. Okay, which is a way to have a quick access to application you use frequently. Pin application will stay in the taskbar until you unpin them. This is Google Chrome. I've already pinned here so that I can be able to access it quickly. To unpin Google Chrome, just right click on that on Google Chrome now in your taskbar, and then click unpin from taskbar. You'll be able to unpin that. To pin a program in a taskbar, very easy. The easiest way, go to the program or application that you want to pin, and then just drag that application to taskbar. You see, after reaching taskbar, you see pin to taskbar. Then release your mouse. You can able to pin. Go to application, drag it to taskbar, and then from there, after dragging it from there, just release your mouse. You're able to pin the program. This is the start menu. Okay. If you click, you will see program listed in alphabet order. Okay. You see program listed in alphabet orders. And even from here, you can able now also to pin in taskbar. If I want to pin for taskbar from here the program, okay. If I want to pin now Adobe After Effects, I will just right click and then click go to more, and then see pin to taskbar. I can be able to pin it from here. Right click, go to more, and then unpin from taskbar. And you can also install program from here. If you click install, you'll be able to remove that program in your machine or computer. Task view. Task view, this is a task view. It allows you to quick move within the open windows and application. Like now, I've already opened this one. Okay. This Windows, I have opened Google Chrome. Okay. Now from here, I can able to switch in different program windows that I have opened. If I click task view, this is a task view. If I click here, I can come to this one program that I have already opened. Okay. You can quickly move within the open windows and application. Just click task view and then to go that application that you want, like this one. You're able to come from that. You can able to access from there. Click task view, then go to the window that you want. Now you can able now to quickly move within the open windows or application that you have already opened. You can also the shortcut of using task view, the shortcut now, just press alt plus tab key. Okay, to access the task view. Alt plus the tab key. If I click, see, I can able to switch from here. You see, so in the taskbar also, where you'll find File Explorer, this one. Okay, which allows you to view and open file and folder. File Explorer also provides a graphical interface for the user to navigate and access the file stored in your computer. If I click this File Explorer, I can able now to easily access the file stored in my computer. You can click document, download, or desktop, or music, or video. So if you want to access this Windows, you can easily click File Explorer to open. Now, if you want to access these windows, just click File Explorer here in the taskbar to open. And from here, you can able to access different location. Okay, you can access music, video from here. The File Explorer windows, now this one, okay, you can browse all folders and documents stored in your computer. Okay, you can even search for given application. If I want to search for the computer, from here search desktop, I can click here, then search anything that I have already stored in my computer. Lesson, you see, from here you can I can search for anything lesson, then click this button to go, it will search for the lesson. Okay, let us open File Explorer again. Now this is the windows. From here, for the File Explorer, you see here we have quick access to bar. Okay, and from here you can able to customize. If you want the word rename to be here, you can also, you just click the quick access toolbar and then check something that you want to appear here. So you can able to access to customize your quick access from here. Okay, from here I can able not to delete. Let me show you by example. If I want in a desktop, if I want to delete this an image, this one, I can just select, and then from here, from my quick access toolbar, I just click X to delete. You see, if I want to rename this one, I can come and then I click here, rename, and then I can able to give it a name. First select, rather than first select, then right click, and then go to rename. Okay, you can able to rename from here, from the quick access toolbar. So you can also undo. Undo is going back to undo the changes. You have to redo. Select the program or the file that you want to delete, then click just X to delete. Minimize button. You see, if I click this one, I can able to minimize these two windows. I have not closed, I have just minimized. Now if I come back now to quick access toolbar, I can able to come to bring that windows again. Let us open again File Explorer. From here we have quick access toolbar. From here I can able to customize. If I want to remove this button, undo button, just click this here, then uncheck. You see, click here and then redo this or redo. You can click here to remove it from your quick access toolbar. If you want to bring it back, just check it, then bring. This is a minimize button. From here, if I click here, minimize, I'll minimize these windows. I have not closed, remember, I've just minimized. And if I go back to my taskbar, I will find it. Okay, and then here, this is a maximize button. If I click maximize button, I'll be able to maximize these windows. And then from there, we have a restore down button. If I click here, I'll be able to minimize to restore it down. Then we have X for close. If I click X now, I will complete close these windows. Okay, so remember this for minimize, and then this one for maximize the window, then restore back, and then X to close the windows. The same thing to the program. If I open now Google Chrome, from here I can able to minimize. Okay, I can able to maximize, I can able to restore down, and also I can able to the close. If I open again now File Explorer, from here you can able to go to change directory or location. You can able to access document, you can able to access the pictures from the File Explorer. I can able to access the music, everything that you want. Okay, let me close for now. Also, you have ability to move windows by clicking here on the top, dragging your window, and then when you're done, just reduce your mouse. And also from here, you see, if I bring my mouse here, I can able to resize my window. Remember, you can also move. If I go back from down, make sure just at the end of the windows and then drag. Okay, I'm just dragging. You drag your mouse. I'm back here, can able to drag. And this is how you can able to move from different location. Okay. So let me close for now. Remember also, you can search anything from here. From here, download, I can able to search anything I want. Click there. If now this is when you have a lot of files and you want to search for a given file, either in desktop location or download location or document that you have already saved your documents, just click document. One is a search box and you can be able to search anything that you want. Close this one. Control panel is a component of Microsoft Windows that provides the ability to view and change system setting. Okay, now you can able to change any setting in your computer using control panel, and I highly recommend someone to use control panel now to change anything, to install program. Now if I want to install a program, maybe let just click here, search box, and then search for the control panel. That's the word control panel. Is where you can able to change change the setting in your computer. Then click control panel. From here, you'll be able to access a lot of things. You can able to install program from here. Click here and then click the program that you want to install. Maybe it's this one. Then click install. Then click yes. You'll be able to install that program in your computer. Select the program that you want to install and then click install to install. For now, I'll say no because I don't want to install that program. The control panel is a component of Microsoft Windows that provides the ability to view and change the system settings. Okay. Now, if I want to install a program, I recommend let us use a control panel. If you want to change the system settings like time, okay, let us learn how to install the program. Click the search box and then search for control panel. Remember, control panel is where you can able to change the system, change the settings in your computer. Then click control panel. Then from here, you see you have program, then install program. Click install program. Then after, select the program that you want to install. For example, let me show you how to install a program. Let me install VLC. Okay, I'll come here and then look for VLC. It's a VLC. Select that program. Now the program that you want to install from your machine, from your machine. If I come here and I just delete the application. If I just delete, right click about the procedure, then delete, you have not installed that program in the machine. Okay, to completely remove that program machine, you can either go to control panel, click control panel, then go to install program, then select that given program that you want to install. Like now VLC, you see, if you delete, you can't remove it completely in your machine. Now, if you want to install, select this program and then click install. Select the program you want to install, then click install and then click yes. Then click next, delete, you can say anything, or install. Okay, then give it a time, then just click finish. That's how we install a program. Click here, search control panel where you can able to change computer settings. And then from here, click install program. Select the program you want and then click install. we have learned how to install now a program or application. Let us also learn how to install. So I'll also teach you how to download it. Now I'll open a Google Chrome from here or from here. Remember how to open a program, right click and then click open or just double click. Then from here I'll search for the program that I want to download. Now because I have completely removed VLC in my computer, I'll just come here and then I search for VLC. But make sure you have specified download because you want to download it. Okay. Now if you want to download Google Chrome, we'll search Google Chrome download or any application or software that you want to download. Then after you click just enter, search for that VLC. Then from here I'll click download officially VLC media player for Windows. I'll click here and then from here I'll come and click download VLC and then I'll click here. Okay, it will be the same procedure. Then after to click this one, any application that you want to download, you see it's now downloading. If I want to download Google Chrome, I'll come here and search Google Chrome. Google Chrome. And then after Google Chrome, then download because I want to download it. Okay, then press enter. From here I'll come here for Google Chrome download. Okay, and then I'll click download Google Chrome. But because I have it, I want to download, but it's the same procedure. So because my internet is a bit slow, I will skip it, then I'll show how to install it after I've already downloaded it. So now I have already downloaded now VLC. So after downloading that application that you have downloaded, what you need just to open it. So I will either right click to open or double click. Then after this time, say, do you want to allow this app to make changes in your device? Click yes. Then click OK. Then click next. Click next. 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 Then install. You see, that's how we install a program. Any program, the same procedure. After downloading it, open it by right clicking or double click to open, and then follow the procedure. Go next, then accept the agreement. Then after, just click finish, and that's how we install the program or any software. The system tray is another name given to notification area, which we can find it in the right side of the Windows taskbar. This one is a system tray. The system tray features different types of notification and alert from your computer. And to customize now the system tray, just drag. If I want to customize this one, I have Google Chrome here in my system tray. I can just drag outside to remove from it. Okay, sorry. Or I can just drag anything I want from here. You see, to add it in my system tray. I can add this one, come here, then drag, then drop it. I can also remove from it, just drag and then remove from it. Okay, so this is a system tray or another name for notification areas. Sorry for this. Before I finish, let me teach you how to shut down or to restart your computer. The shortcut for shutting down your computer, just click Alt F4 at once. Okay, then from here you can able to choose the option you want. You can able to sign out, you can able to switch user, you can able also to shut down, you can able also to restart from here. Click in the button you want. If you want to shut down, make sure you have selected shutdown, then click OK. Remember the shortcut is Alt F4. Or you can also come here from the start menu and then this button, okay, the power button. Click the power button, then from here you can go to shut down, or also to restart or even to sleep your machine. Okay, because If I want to shut down if I want to shut down my computer, I'll just click power, then shut down. Now to shut down your computer. Another tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Office. That's Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Publisher. And after, we'll able another teacher will able to take you through another graphic tutorial that's using Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator. You are going to learn a lot of IT things. And then you're going to learn about internet, how to use internet, and a lot of things, how the internet works. So kindly subscribe to our channel so that you can be able to learn a lot. We are trying to empower people this knowledge. We are trying now to put this knowledge now to the internet. So anyone who cannot able to pay for the money to go to school to learn these things, you'll be able to learn in online. So kindly subscribe so that you won't be able to miss any future tutorials that you're able to create.